there's the front door. Let's walk on in. Okay. Kind of turned on the light this time. Okay, we do have water damage, so this is definitely something to do with the roof, big time. But it's not a regular roof. Okay, right inside the front door to the left is half bath. Tall ceilings. Alright. Okay, walking in. See, okay, door Okay, walk to the left. We're going to go to the right for a minute. We're going into a smaller dining room. Windows do need to be replaced. They are double paned, however, they are pulling out of their sill. Small dining. Lead right into the kitchen. Walk back this way. Okay, we got concrete flooring. Opening into the kitchen from the corner right there, and then on in. Okay, walk into the kitchen. Get some all new appliances. Cabinets are a little dated. New appliances, stainless, granite. An island. Get it back from an angle here. Alright. Walk in here, we have laundry. Two-car. Let's walk back through. Okay, we have a kind of a formal dining area with surrounding windows. The roofing area, ceilings. No damage this way. Okay, hallway leading up the stairwell. Go into the formal living area. There's doorways, French doors to the back porch. There is the marble fireplace. Double French doors on the other side. Okay, we do have water damage, and I'll get to that in here in a minute. Okay, let's go around the room. Angled ceiling. And this is in the gated community country club style area. Going upstairs. Alright, we do have water damage. Water damage has come to there, gone all the way down onto the seam work, hit the wall, traveled down, and gone to the side. Now, also, we have cracks in the floor. This is concrete slab. I'll go outside and double check, but it goes all the way across through the marble and onto the other side, so that'd be definitely something we have to look into. Old intercom system. Okay, there's stairwell. Oh wow. Carpeted all the way back. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow. Goes all the way back through. An intercom system in the closet. Interesting. Alright, let's go into the master bed. Here is the walk-in closet with space access or inner floor access. Okay. Alright. Walk in. Nice high ceiling. single door. You can definitely put in, it looks like it used to be sliding or something. Alright. Go to the right, got a master suite. Our shower, walk in. Tiles loose, broke. I can see putting in possibly a new jetted. Alright, just to let you know on that too. Skylight going up in. Alright, now let's look back this side. Okay. Now let's go upstairs.